Good morning. This is Koiki Media. We are live at the Synagogue Church of All Nations. There's a particular news that broke out yesterday and this morning concerning the renowned pastor, prophet TB Joshua. We were being told that he died last night after a particular, just a short church service yesterday. Right now, we are at the church right now to really see what's going on, if it is true or false. But at the moment, we are confirming it to the world that Prophet TB Joshua is dead. No man is God. Please don't mock the dead. We all die one day. Let's use this very great time to condole the family and to say RIP to him. It's Koiki Media. We're live here at the Synagogue Church of All Nations, Ikotun, Lagos, Nigeria. You can look around. It happened live. People did not know that the man of God is gone. They even came this morning for church service, not knowing that the main man who anchors program, a renowned and a big man of God from Nigeria, is gone. You can see the people. You can see people around the church coming to console and condole with the families and members of this great man of God. Let's use this opportunity to say RIP to him. No man is God. We will all go one day. It's Koiki Media. We bring the world closer to your doorstep. Are really crying here. A lot of people are crying, seriously. And it's confirmed. It's no longer a rumor that the founder of the Synagogue of All Nations is dead. The cause of his death has not really been confirmed. We're told that he held a short service yesterday and was confirmed that he died that same yesterday. Let's pray for the family to be able to bear this great loss. sir.
You tell me what you want to go and do inside.
I just want to. Sir,
Eh?
nothing. I'm trying to take pictures.
Confirm Kiri.
No.
Any workers.
That's what I'm saying. I'm saying.
We can't be happy. I'm a journalist. I'm just trying to get information. Till you get. We can't be happy. We just want to confirm the news. That was what happened. Bros, see. I'm not just impressed, so I'm not just taking
TB Joshua 11. Maybe lie. So I get 100 phone before for this video call for share the church like this now. He even attended to people yesterday for mountain in the morning to evening. He attended to everybody for the church for the mountain where they go every Saturday. So around 11 now we hear the story, the Russian ambulance. Around 2 o'clock, I accomplished the journey. So the ambulance. No. Yes, so. The compound story happened today. The church now people gather everywhere. People they cry, take it flash. You come to the church here, it's down there.